folks, this is Josh from InfernoWare. I'm here to tell you about a new exciting product we've been working on. We have created a set of heat shields for the Polaris Pro XP 4 and 2 seat models. These panels are made of high-grade aluminum. We are using a coating called Reflect, which is an InfernoWare coating. This coating reflects 1200 degrees radiant heat temp. So what does that mean for your machine? Cooler temperatures, cooler cab, cooler storage bed, cooler firewall. The coating is hydrophobic, so mud does not like to stick to it. It washes up really clean. We're offering these heat shields for people that want to be able to bolt it on and just have an easy solution to fix the problem of the hot cab, and you can't even hardly feel the heat coming from the back of the firewall with this stuff on.